Let's make delicious and healthy stuffed bell peppers. Start by heating a little oil in a pan and sautéing chopped onion with garlic. Once they turn golden, add 200 grams of chicken mince. Season with salt, black pepper, paprika, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix well and cook until the chicken is nicely done. Then set it aside. Now, take 2 fresh bell peppers. Cut them right from the center. Remove all the seeds and wash them well. To make them soft and juicy, boil the halves for about 5 to 6 minutes. This step makes the peppers tender but keeps their shape perfect for stuffing. Once done, place them in a baking dish where you've already spread 1 tablespoon of tomato paste at the bottom. Arrange the peppers neatly and fill each one generously with 2 tablespoons of the chicken mixture. Bake them at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Then take them out, sprinkle cheese on top, and bake again for another 10 minutes until the cheese melts beautifully and turns golden brown. And that's it. Juicy, cheesy, and packed with protein,